Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to change the account type, standard user, administrator, in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To change a user account type between standard and administrator in Windows, you must be signed in with an account that already has administrator privileges. Here's how to do it across different Windows versions. Method 1. Using Settings, Windows 10 and 11. Open Settings, Windows key plus I. Go to Accounts. Select Family and Other Users, Windows 10, or Other Users, Windows 11. Under Other Users, click the account you want to modify. Click Change Account Type. Choose either Administrator or Standard User. Click OK. Method 2. Using Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as Administrator to make an account administrator. To revert to standard user, replace username with the actual account name. Method 3. Using PowerShell, open PowerShell as administrator to promote to administrator. To demote to standard. Replace username with the actual account name. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.